Hi,
Hi,
Happy Women's Day.
same to you.
This is National Women's Day. Our honor guest. How is your feeling?
This is like, having dream come true because sports has been neglected since years for the women. That fitness is very, very necessary that we avoided. Women are tend to feel guilty if they are taking care of themselves and not, like taking care of their family. But taking out time for ourselves दैट डज मैटर बिकॉज एक सशक्त नारी ही एक सशक्त परिवार का आधार है मीन सशक्त नारी सशक्त परिवार सशक्त आधार और सशक्त ही भारत देश हमारा तो फॉर द फिट इंडिया विमेन हैव टू बी देयर बिकॉज इंडिया तभी फिट रहेगा जब उसकी जो आधी आबादी है जो विमेन है दे आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देमसेल्व्स एंड दे आर कमिंग इनटू द स्पोर्ट्स दैट इज वेरी नेसेसरी बिकॉज विमेन आर टेंड टू बी मोर डिटरमाइंड पर्सन comparatively. I'm not here criticizing our male colleagues and male, but yeah, I am telling all the male over here they have to come forward to support the women. They have to come forward because we need them here. Keeping all the feminism aside, behind every successful man there is a woman, then behind every successful woman there is an understanding and sensible man. With this quote I just like to stop my this International Women's Day message. Here the theme is give to gain. Give to gain means if you are giving to the society in other way you are benefiting yourselves because it will come back like a boomerang. If you are giving something good to the society it will come to you. So here we will empower, we will entitle the women, whoever are there. We are today from this Mera Yuva Bharat. I just want to from this platform I want to appeal all the women to take care of themselves, to be fit, to be in the sports and be more determined to keep themselves ready for any challenges in their life. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. What a wonderful speech and thanks.
Thank you. A very happy International Women's Day. And especially I would tell this today's morning came with a new light because now we are encouraging the sports. It is indeed a great honor and privilege for me to be present here today on the occasion of International Women's Day that is very near to my heart because celebrating the women's strength, determination and achievement where we were lacking in our past days. And today I would like to thank you very, very much to Ramchandra ji and to District Youth Officer Mera Yuva Bharat Khushbu, the dynamic girl I have ever met. And I'm really happy that I'm participating here. And I would like to sincerely thank the organizers, especially Mera Yuva Bharat, the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, and the Sports Authority of India for creating such a wonderful platform where young girls and women can showcase their talent, confidence and spirit. Sports play a very important role. Though we don't know, but in empowering women, sports are the pillar. They teach us discipline, teamwork, challenges and resilience. And resilience and the soft skill are our strength. We should not forget. Here all the women participates and the male participates, I would like to thank them because this journey for the women across different stages of life, I mean under 13 to 18 and above 18, it symbolizes the symbol that we all in different stages of our life are showing the strength, resilience and courage. On this special day, we also remember the inspiring words of Swami Vivekananda who said, there is no chance for the welfare of the world unless the condition of women is improved. So, empowering women build empowered societies. Likewise, I congratulate all the participants who have come forward to compete today. Whether you win a medal or not, your participation itself is a victory. It's showing your courage, health and equality. As a judge, I feel proud to witness such enthusiasm and sportsmanship among all of you. Keep running, not only in life, not only when you are running your life day to day, but when you dream, as Sangeeta Reddy madam has said already, Kavita Reddy madam has said already that dream before you sleep. And as our Abdul Kalam sir has already said, when you will dream and it will become successful when you dream with your open eyes. Thank you very much. Thank you each and every one of you. Thank you.